You got the number, you set the time, now what? Most men treat a first date like a job interview. Where are you from? What do you do? How many siblings do you have? This is boring. This is predictable. And biologically, boring is the enemy of attraction. If she feels like she is at a job interview, she will treat you like an employer, polite, but not aroused. Today, we are throwing away the interview script. We are breaking down the perfect date into 3 psychological phases. If you execute phase 2 correctly, the kiss in phase 3 is not just possible, it is guaranteed. Phase 1, the warm-up. The goal here is simple. Break the touch barrier within the first 15 minutes. If you don't touch her early, you establish a platonic frame. The longer you wait to touch, the weirder it becomes later. You meet her at the venue. The average man waves awkwardly or goes for a stiff handshake. Then, he sits across from her at the table. This is a fatal mistake. Sitting across from someone creates a confrontational dynamic. It is me versus you. First, when you see her, give her a light hug immediately. Hi, good to see you. Second, pick a venue where you can sit next to her, 90-degree angle, or at the corner of the bar. Sitting side by side creates a conspiracy dynamic. It is us versus the world. It also allows you to accidentally brush your arm against hers, making physical touch natural and non-threatening. Phase 2, the emotional spike. The goal here is to move from logic to emotion. Men bond through doing things. Women bond through sharing emotions. Stop talking about your job, politics, or the weather. Those are logical topics. They are dry. She asks, "So, what do you do for work?" The boring man says, "I am an accountant. I work with spreadsheets. It is very stressful." She nods politely, but inside she is checking the time. Use a technique called cold reading. Instead of asking questions, make assumptions. Don't ask, "Where are you from?" Say, "You look like a troublemaker from the West Coast." Or, "I bet you were the popular girl in high school who ignored the math nerds." This forces her to laugh, correct you, or defend herself. It creates playful friction. You want her to feel emotions, surprise, laughter, even a little indignation. Anything but boredom. Phase 3, the bridge. The goal here is to secure the kiss without making it awkward. The end of the date is usually a disaster because men wait until the very last second to make a move. The pressure is too high. You walk her to her car. There is an awkward silence. You panic. You go for a hug. She goes for a handshake. You go home alone. You must plant the seed halfway through the date. When she is laughing in phase 2, look at her and say playfully, "I might kiss you later if you stop being such a brat." Then, change the subject immediately. You have planted the idea in her head. She will be thinking about that kiss for the next hour. When the date ends, stop walking. Look at her left eye, right eye, then her lips, the triangular gaze. Lean in 90% of the way. Stop. Let her come the final 10%. If she leans in, you win. If she stays back, you smile and pull away. No pressure. I want to hear your horror stories. What is the worst interview question a girl has ever asked you on a first date? Tell me in the comments. Let's laugh about it. Dating is not an interview. It is a dance. Lead the dance and she will follow. For more dating blueprints, subscribe to Love Unveiled. I'll see you in the next video.